Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Today I'm going to show you how to see the Twin Towers on Google Earth Pro. Now, many people think that Google Earth Pro is the paid version of Google Earth. However, that is not the case. Today I'm going to show you how to get it done on Google Earth Pro, the desktop app. Let's dive in. Now, if you've downloaded Google Earth Pro, which is actually quite a fantastic app, you can really do a lot with it. You're going to go over to the left-hand side and you'll have a bar here with a bunch of information. Okay, so we can make that a bit smaller so that we have a better view. And on the top, you will find the search bar. So we're going to go in and we're going to type in Twin Towers, and you'll see it's giving you a list of suggestions. I'm going to click on the very first one because I know that is the one we're looking for, and we're going to click on search. Now, within the search results, you will see a few options on the left, and also you will be taken to that specific location. You will see here there are a few very interactive things that you can do, and this is the reason I love Google Earth Pro so much. On the top right hand side, once you put your cursor over here, you will see there are a few joystick buttons. If you click down on this, you can look around. This one over here allows you to move around, and then of course you can zoom, and this we know as the Google Street View icon. You can also use your keyboard. If you are on a Windows PC, you can use your shift and your click, and you'll be able to move around quite easily. This will allow you to navigate, and this is now the location. And we can also, as I mentioned before, we can use that street view. So with Google Earth Pro, you're going to click down and drag it to an area on the street. You will have two view options here. You'll find this on the top right hand side. We have the street view, as you can see here as it's loading, and then you also have the ground view, which will literally allow you to see a ground level view. So right now this is the street view, and then you will have the ground level view, which literally will put you on the ground. Now, if we want to exit this, we can just click on the exit ground level view. We're going to come out of here, and we're going to go to the top. We've got a menu, and there is again a few items. We're going to click on this one. It's a little green arrow, and it allows you to see the historical imagery. On the left, this historical imagery, it gives you the little dial, and here you can click on this dial and drag it over to a time frame that you would like to view the actual image that you're looking at right now. So if you go click there again, you can also use that. So it's the skip left and the skip right, and you can literally go and find the location that you would like to find. So we're now on the 12th, 2001, and within a few seconds this will change. You can see down at the bottom you've got the imagery date. It's the 12th of the 31st, 2001, and if we go one click, you'll see that it's changed to the 9th of the 12th, 2001, and you'll still have all the same zoom functions. You can zoom in and out, you can hold in shift, you can be moving left and right, and as you can see here, you can continue to change the date and see different images as you are going through. Now, of course, depending on your internet connection, this may take a different amount of time to reload each and every time you change the date.